Welcome back everyone to my channel. My name is Joel Feld and I just want to really thank all of you. I know 100 people does not seem like a lot, and to most people they're like 100 people, that's really nothing. But honestly for me, it's really cool to see that 100 people liked what I've created so far, and there's so much more content that I want to create. And so I just want to thank you for subscribing, and I hope you follow along with this journey of mine to create new content and new training videos for everything Apple imaginable that I can. If you like my content, if you have questions, go ahead and throw a comment in below if there's something that you want to learn or you're trying to troubleshoot and you want to learn better. If you'd like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share with your family and friends, and really thank you for subscribing and supporting me along the way. Thank you.